ladies and gentlemen, that was a great way to kick off the night right before we start our big show, which is coming up right now. But before we do, I would like to proudly introduce to you the owner of Great Lakes Championship Wrestling. Make some noise for Dave Herro!
This might be my favorite one yet. This is number 16, Brawl 16. It's our 13th year in the Waukesha County Expo building, and you guys have been selling it out for damn near 13 years. Thank you very much. Tonight's a pretty special night. We have a lot of really cool silver friends here. We got Dustin Rhodes. I hate saying this, but daddy ass Billy Gunn is here. Daddy ass. 20-some years ago he was saying suck it, now he's saying scissors me. He's getting more kids suspended than ever. Take a look at all the banners around the building. We have amazing sponsors. Please support them, support local independent wrestling, because without all of you, Blizzard Brawl doesn't exist. Great Lakes Championship Wrestling doesn't exist. And it does my heart good when these guys in the back get to come out here and entertain all of you as they're trying to get to that next level. And there's a lot of opportunities out there. There's a lot of great young guys in the back that you will eventually see on AEW or NXT or WWE or Impact. So support them as well. But at first I want to call one of my buddies, Nate Hansen from Hansen Screen Printing, if he's around here anywhere. Nate, come on up here. I think it was 4 years ago, Nate and all of his buddies, they were wearing a bunch of KOP t-shirts for Pals Our Pal. And I was looking for someone to start doing t-shirts for me. And Nate has been the guy, come on in the ring, buddy. Nate's been the guy that has bailed us out of so many different t-shirt situations. He's doing a special commemorative Blizzard Brawl shirt tonight. He's printing them as ordered at his table over there. It's the full match card on the back, and the front is Great Lakes Championship Wrestling Blizzard Brawl. And also, he's doing an amazing shirt for our buddy Iron Mike Kirkhoff from CBS 58. Nate, why don't you tell the deal on the shirt?
So I reached out to Mike and said, hey, I really like what you're doing. I like what you're doing, and I think you need to come up with something. So Mike and I agreed that all proceeds of this shirt goes directly to Wisconsin's Humane Society, which is something we picked out. There's only extra large and 2XL available right now, but there is a link online that you can order from hansonstreetprinting.com, and yeah, we'll get it done. So any orders online, we'll ship it to you. Don't worry about it. Thank you.
Again, support local. Nate Hansen, Hansen Screen Printing. He's been responsible for all the Fanny Pack Kids shirts lately. He does an amazing job. Also, tonight's a pretty special event. For the first time ever, Blizzard Brawl is being recorded for a future air date. As you can see, it's premium streaming network that is up here. So right now, I'm going to call the man behind all that, Josh Chernoff. Give it up for Josh!
relaunch in the beginning of 2023 with Premier Streaming Network. As Dave mentioned, for the first time ever, you will be able to stream all the action you are going to see here tonight. Yeah, that's good. See, there you go. Even cooler than that, all those past Blizzard Brawl events will also be available to stream on Premier Streaming Network. We're very, very excited to be partnering with Great Lakes Championship Wrestling and very excited to be here at Blizzard Brawl. I will actually be sitting there doing commentary, but I can't do it alone. I can do it alone, but I don't want to do it alone. So please allow me to introduce from OVW, AJ McKay.
What's going on, Waukesha? How you feeling? Man, y'all are looking good. I figured I'd dress up tonight, make something a little Christmassy for you. We have got a great night of action lined up for you. We are going to be broadcasting this all over the world. So not only are you going to see some amazing talent tonight, you are going to be seen in countries near and far. So represent Waukesha tonight, all right? If you see cameras in your face around ringside at any point, I want you to go crazy and make a lot of noise and show everybody you're having a good time. Trust me, the last thing you want to do is be seen on worldwide television sitting there eating nachos like you're at home. I'm just saying. So with that said, it's about that time. I got to get over to the commentary desk. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your lovely ring announcer for tonight. You know her, you love her. She's a fabulous co-partner in crime. Give it up for the fabulous Linda Kay!
Lovely. How we feeling tonight? Who's ready for Blizzard Brawl? Great to hear, but before we begin tonight's festivities, at this time, please rise if you are able for the playing of our national anthem.